Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making kids' favorite biscuit sandwich mango delight dessert. We will first make a layer of cream. Between two biscuits, sprinkle almonds and pistachios on top of it, then cover it with biscuits again. Channel for easy recipes and turn on the bell notification. It turns out very tasty, very healthy, and children eat it with great. Wash the mango well, then peel it and then prepare its puree. We will scoop out some of the puree into a bowl and leave some in the jug. Now you can add a little whipping cream to it, or if you don't have whipping cream, you can also add a whole packet of cream to it. One packet of Marie biscuits. We will apply the first layer of mango puree. Now you will take milk in a bowl and dip the biscuit sandwich that you made at the beginning in it, and then place it on top of the puree. The third layer is where you added cream and whipping cream to the puree. Feed your children, and they will eat it with such enthusiasm that they will ask you to make it again and again. Like, share, follow, comment.